Woodbury, Minnesota final. Here's the storefront, common entrance, little panoramic. Sign 94 right here. So coming into this little vestibule, Cal Spas is straight ahead, and then we take a right into our showroom. When we first walk in, that's the Bella rack's going to go there. There was track lighting here. We elected to reuse it per hutch. The counter is going to go across this wall here. There used to be a door going into a bathroom at this point here, a drinking fountain here, which we had just moved, and we put it just around the corner over there. Coming back to where we come in. Left an area for the flooring guys to make them aware that they have to make a 5x5 lowered area to accommodate ADA. New exit lighting. That's where the new drinking fountain went. And what we had to do is break up the floor and tie into the drain there. Everything's up and running. Coming into the warehouse, we bumpered the back side of the showroom along the front, boarded up 2 windows. There is your sign power up there. You're all set. This is a demising drywall from your neighbor. Bumpered that. Bumpered the back side of it. That's also on your neighbor's side. This room was supposed to get opened up, but this is a structural wall. The neighbor has a 2-story structure, so we didn't get into that. Hutch said it'd be okay. They're going to be using this room here for moldings. It's a 15 by 15. We put 1-inch foam insulation on top, deaden the sound, because there's an office right above here. Also, what we had to do is the irrigation line, 1.25-inch copper line, ran all the way across here where the old structure was, down this wall. So we had to take it, we raised it, and we took it all back across, up high, down the wall, and tied it back in to the existing. It had 6 sprinkler heads raised. We added 8. Also, this was left unmudded by the landlord, so we went and mudded it. We had to. We bumpered along this wall here. And after all the demo, what we ended up doing is this is a mezzanine up here where they can store stuff. The foam board, we'll label it for everybody. It's going to go right up in that corner there. There's your dedicated circuit for the foam board right there. You can mount it there, and your IT line from the D-mark runs from there, and we have it hanging over here. Don't know where they're going to tie it in. Left a big enough service loop for them. Coming back into the showroom, like I said, the counter is going to go up against there. There's the dedicated circuit from there, and it's going to run out towards me 12 feet. The foam board is just on the other side of that wall. What they can do is just run it along that conduit, punch it into the wall as soon as they can, and chase it down into the wall, and bring all their terminations right next to their dedicated circuit for the 110. I don't see a problem why they just can't start hiding these in the wall. If it was an island, then yes, we would have to come out. We have to know 100% where the counter is going, because we have to trench a hole, you know, through the cement and everything. That's it from Minnesota. Then on the back side here of the warehouse, we had to put the bathroom door here. Well, they used to have a kitchen here, so all the plumbing was going through this wall, and all the electrical was running from coast to coast along this wall. So we had to take everything, run it up above. We had to do all the terminations, so we had to tear all the drywall off this part and fix it up. And coming in through this door here, that's where the old door was. We put what we could as far as the ADA railing the best we could here. Since this is not the customer bathroom, they said this would be okay.